So things are very terrible, right? So what we can do, we'll get back to the market. In the meantime, in yesterday's video, many people asked me a really good question. The question was, many people asked me in the comment section, Umar, you are bearish, you are ultra bearish, and in fact I was bearish for a very bullish. I was bearish, and they asked me, when you were ultra bearish, you should have made money. Why you are telling you have made loss, right? In fact, in yesterday's video, we told that I made a loss day before yesterday around 4 or 4.5 lakhs. That is because, see, I am a sailor, okay? You cannot expect a sailor to go and captain a commercial airline, right? See, sailors are like, since I am a sailor, sailors are like non-directional traders. And a captain of a commercial airline is like a directional trader. So what is the difference? As a non-directional trader, I know, as a captain of a ship, I know I can carry more volume. I don't have any problem, and in spite of knowing that the sea is very deep, full of sharks, and there could be a thunderstorm, everything is there. I know what is going to happen, right? Because I am carrying full volume. Even if the ship sinks, I have my safety boat or lifeboat, which is my hedges, right? When it comes to and if I reach the destination, or if I reach the shore safely, and I know for sure I am going to make a hell lot of money. But when it comes to a directional trader, if you are let's say in our example, if you are an airline pilot, you have to be 100% sure. You have to act quickly. You have to, there is no there is no room for error, right? You have to act instantly. If you are not acting quickly, you will end up making losses. And I am sure if you fall from 40,000 feet, there is no way you can, the probability of being alive is very, very less. So that's why we are always non-directional trader. We start with non-directional trades, and in case if something goes wrong, we make adjustment to that non-directional trades, and we try to make profit, or we try to exit with a small loss. So that's what we have been doing all these days. And yesterday also, even though the day before yesterday I made a loss of around 4 lakhs, yesterday I made a profit of 1.2 lakhs. Today I made a profit of around 1.2 lakhs. So slowly it will come. And look at the markets. So yesterday I was bearish, I was ultra bearish. Now also I am bearish. Now whatever price action happened today, I am telling you, this is going to be getting worse and worse day by day. And really, I don't know what is the reason behind this fall. In spite of market gapping up, today morning, I think US futures, yesterday US markets were in the green. And even today US markets were in the green. And today, as I talk to you, it is trading in the green only. In fact, if you see this chart, India is the only worst performing market today. Apart from India, all other markets, even emerging markets, were performing. Asia, Japan was performing, China was performing, South Korea was performing, even Europe opened in the green. Only our markets were not performing, and I really don't know what is the reason why FIIs are selling. People say FIIs are selling. No, I don't think so. See, they have just sold for around 3,780 rupees. 3 crores, 3,780 crores, right? So they have sold much more in our previous previous trading session. I have seen they have sold for even 7,000 crores, but I have never seen such a big fall from 16,000. I think it went to 16,100, from 16,100 to almost 16,700, more than 400 points. All these 400 points move happened between 245 to 330. Continuous selling, 45 minutes of continuous selling. I don't know whether it is FIIs or DIIs. I really don't know. Or because of LIC, people are pulling out from other stocks. I really don't know what is happening in the market. If you know, let me know on the comment section below. But markets are like this, right? But fortunately what we did is we shorted the market today morning. Even when the market went above 16,000, if you see yesterday's data, 16,000 had the highest open interest call. And today, if you see, still when the market moved above 16,100, the open interest was very intact. I never squared off. I never did anything. I shorted the market yesterday evening. Today morning, in spite of gapping up, covering the whole red candle which was created yesterday, I still was holding the short position, and it has paid off very good. All our accounts are in profit only. That's what I told. In fact, yesterday we made 1.2 lakhs. Today we made around 1.2 lakhs. So total 2.5 lakhs. So around another 2 lakhs we will make. That's not an issue. Not only that, earlier also I was in a loss. Now if we break even this month, that is more than enough. So I don't know how things are going to span out and how things are going to change in the coming days. Now, if you see the candlestick pattern, simple things I will tell you. I don't want to show you this open interest and all. No use of open interest nowadays, right? So this 16,000, around 15,600, around 15,600. The low is around 15,679. So if this is going to be broken, or if this is going to be taken out to on Monday, we will see Nifty going towards around 15,000 or even 15,500. Now 15,679 is a good support. That's why we saw yesterday's price action when Nifty touched a low of around 15,700. It retraced a few points, around 100 or 150 points. Now, if you see it on a candlestick perspective, if you see 2 days of continuous red candle, third day is likely to be a red candle also. That means third day also Nifty is likely to go on the downside only. So that is the general belief, and I have not seen a chart where you see 2 days of continuously red candle and third day there is a big green candle. I have not seen a chart like that. So obvious, this is a very simple reason. No need to apply any technicals, or you don't have to think too much. It's always a red also on Monday. And if you see the other things, like we have talked about FIIs, and what the very interesting thing happened today was, in spite of all this drama and all these things, India VIX dropped more than 4%, I think, around 4 or 5%, I think. In spite of US markets, US futures in the green, Europe in the green, India VIX dropping significantly, we have lost more than 400 or 500 points. Today alone, Nifty has moved from gap up to 16,000 to 15,700, more than 500, around 500 points is swing in Nifty. And I don't have to talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty 1,000, 1,200 points swing. So everybody is suffering, everybody is in a loss. And if you see on a monthly basis, I am also in a loss. I am not in profit. Even though we made profit yesterday and day before yesterday, I am also still sitting in a loss. But loss is part of the game. We cannot do anything about these losses. So we'll have to live with these losses, right? So let us see how things pan out. Probably Monday also markets are likely to go towards maybe 15,500, or even I wouldn't be surprised even if the market goes to 15,000. So let's see how things pan out. If you are like kind of panicking, if you are not comfortable with this price action, please stay away from the market. In spite of India VIX being very low, it is acting like India VIX is around 30. India VIX is only 22, but market's price action is acting as if India VIX has around 30 or more than 30. So let's hope for the best. Let's pray to God. I don't know when this dilemma is going to finish. Markets are extremely choppy. If you make money in 1 month, next month you are likely to make loss. So that's how we have been doing. 1 month you make profit, then you make loss. Then we cover that loss, then we make loss. Then we cover profit, we cover the previous loss, then again loss. So this is the usual new normal now which has been happening. So let's hope for the best. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.